Yeah, that'd be weird. Please don't. Anyways, like I was saying, welcome back to 12 Days of JoJo and Miranda. I've been having fun. Are you having fun?
No, this is awful.
She's having fun. She just won't admit it.
I'm not.
So you guys, we're making some holiday slime today. We've already started actually making the physical slime, but then we're gonna add some holiday things, and it is going to be pretty epic. Miranda, are you excited?
No.
I figured.
Much better.
That was a big one.
Stunk.
Really?
It was stinking.
I can smell it. Do you remember the last time I taught you how to make slime?
No, I try to block every time I hang out with you in my memory. So is this what we're doing in the giveaway? We're giving this away today?
No. The giveaways are on my vlog channel.
Oh.
Is the link in the description?
Yeah, probably. All right, so how are we gonna make it Christmassy?
So now you get to add in whatever you want. I can't get it. This is difficult, Miranda. Why'd you have me do this?
I did it.
I'm putting stockings in mine.
Oh, that's a good idea. I want sparkles in mine.
You like sparkles? I like sparkles. Maybe we could be friends.
No, we cannot be friends.
Why not?
Because you're a child and I'm a famous person.
Today's our second to last day of this.
So I have to do one more? That's horrible news. I still have to hang out with you for a whole other day?
Yeah. Hey, Miranda, I'll be right back. I have a secret ingredient that I forgot about, okay? I'll be right back. You watch these guys.
You don't have to come back if you don't want to.
I will come back.
You guys want to know a secret? I actually kind of like her. Oh, this looks fun. Oh. Hello? Hi, Mom. No, don't come yet. I'm still here. I'm still having fun. No, I know I've been here every day. Yes, we're best friends, Mom. Please don't interrupt us. We're having a lot of fun. She's my best friend in the whole world. Don't mess this up for me, please. Do not come yet. Can you just wait a few more hours, please? Thank you. Ask her mom if I can spend the night. I want to stay over. Okay. Thanks. Okay, bye. JoJo, I can't wait till I can leave.
Guess what I got though?
What?
I got candy canes.
So? I don't care. I hate candy canes.
Why do you hate candy canes?
Because you brought them. JoJo!
You've worked 50 times since you've been over here today.
Look at this. The sparkles don't even sparkle anymore. Once
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Girl, chill with the burping.
I can't chill.
Why can't you chill?
Because I like to burp.
That does look pretty good. You know what I'm gonna do this time though? I'm gonna chop it.
What do you mean this time? You done this before?
Yeah, I did this with Joey. Joey Graceffinissa, your boyfriend.
What?
Yep.
You are my boyfriend's house?
I stole him.
Are you freaking kidding me, JoJo?
Nope, not kidding.
I thought we were friends.
We're friends?
No, we're not friends. JoJo just got run over by a reindeer. Walking home from my house, Christmas Eve.
I was at your house on Christmas Eve. That means we're friends.
No, we're not
high five!
friends.
Yay! Billy with that.
It's a high five.
Miranda, look what you did.
It looks better.
You got slime in my hair.
No, that's a ball in your hair.
But there's slime attached to it.
I'm sorry. JoJo, are we done?
Yeah, we can be done. All right, you guys. Well, unfortunately, that's all we have here today. Tomorrow's the last day of this. So sad.
I'm happy.
All right, you guys. Well, I love you so much. Excuse you. Go subscribe to Miranda. The link will be down in the description. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Will we see them tomorrow?
Maybe, if you're lucky.